implementing the comparable interface in Java Part 2. So we created our class, we implemented the comparable interface, we created a constructor and getter methods and our main method. Let me open the code. And we ensured our application correctly sorts the students by GPA in ascending order and tested with students having the same GPA to check how our program handles this case. And so now let's show the program's functionality and present our test cases. And so here we have it. So our program, just for a quick background, is used to impose a natural ordering on the object of each class that implements it. And then this interface consists of a single method comparative that is used for comparing the current object with specified object. And so let's run this. So here we have it. We have students sorted by GPA. We have student ID 903, 905, 902, 904, and 901. And we have sorted by GPA in ascending order. Let me actually make sure. Let me say in ascending order. So we have GPA 2.6, 3.0, 3.5, all the way to 4.0 in ascending order, right? I mean, it's a pretty simple program, so not much to show here. But let's present as well our test cases. And so we worked on some simple here, sorting with the same GPA, sorting descending to ascending, sorting empty list, and many others as well. You can take a look here. Perfect. So let's test our unit test, and we successfully pass all our test cases here.